Okay, here's the timeline, my syllabus. I'm flipping through a few pages at a time so that I can go quicker. And then here is the pathways to learning, personality spectrum, my brain map, multiple intelligence, SQ3R method, Cornell note-taking, the KWL chart that I chose, discussion board grading rubric, the science and math resource assignment, portfolio grading rubric, the science lesson plan, math lesson plan, and it's 2 pages. So that's why it kind of looks funny, I guess. And then the science teaks. And then here are my math teaks. Oh, blank paper. And the chapter that I'm going to go over is chapter 1. Got paper there. I did reading in orange, video in green, quiz in blue. This is part 1, but all right. So I kind of have a lot of orange. I got underline happy with some of it. I also put a star out next to some of the ones that were the questions, a blue star. So that's what that is, if you see it. Alright, so here's my Cornell notes. I am not very good about taking short notes and stuff. My notes usually have to be pretty detailed, so sorry. And then I kind of use the Cornell note form to do this, and I just put like what each one was about in a little short sentence about each one. And then here is my slides. I'm having issues finding my words. Okay, and then here is my diagram of the inquiry process. And then for the later chapters, I'm going to flip on over to chapter 10. And for my notes, I underlined rather than wrote it out, just because that just works better with me if I underline something. So my underlining in blue is my note taking. I would kind of read the paragraph and then figure out what was most important to me, and I kind of put little blurbs of extra stuff out to the side. So, and then here is the science common self-assessment. Alright, so now pause while I go get the math. Okay, so here's the math portion, and the chapter I'm going to do in math is also chapter 1. These are the easiest to flip to, so. Alright, so again with this chapter, some of my personal notes was underlining things and just writing a little blurb out to the side just to remind me what it's about. So and then here is the question stems, and then the presentation, and I did a T-chart for this one because what influences them and then what can direct them and like directions to take with them, and I just figured that was the easiest way to do it. So, yeah. There's my math portion.